system of entire humanoid robot over here. And this is the circuit diagram for the entire humanoid robot. Now I am going to explain all the process step by step. You can see here all the devices are connected with the Arduino Mega 2560. This IC. And similar that Arduino Mega board is available over here in the real hardware setup. This one. To operate the legs motor, these are the two legs, DC motors, 12 volt and 1.8 ampere stall current. To operate these motors, I need some external triggering circuit because our Arduino Mega is giving only 5 volt output. So I used the L293D motor driver circuit to operate that motors. This give the Arduino Mega trigger that circuit, and that circuit will enable this motor as per the respective directions. So you can see this L293 circuit is put over here and it's connected with the two legs. Now in this human robot there is one specific interaction with the robot. For that I used a PIR sensor. You can see here that is PIR sensor, which is detect only human body. It is calibrated in such a way that when the robot is nearer, human is nearer to the robot, it starts the interaction. There is an LCD screen nearer to the PIR sensor, which generates some output and start the discussion with the human, like hi human, how are you, goodbye, and give the smileys to the human. This is the connection of all this LCD screen and the PIR sensor with the Arduino Mega. Similarly, these connections are given to the Arduino Mega in the real hardware. Now we can say that in the entire human there are so many servo motors. This humanoid robot has a total 14 degrees of freedom. So these 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 servo motors are only in one arm. This is for gripper opening and closing. This is for rest motion, this servo motor. This servo motor for expanding arm, again same thing, and this for moving up and down direction. So similar for the another side, the same motors are used. Out of this all the servo motors, these two rest motion motor and gripper motors are 5 volt operated and very low torque. Like middle arm and all these servo motors have a very high torque, which need 6 volt and 1.2 ampere stall current. To operate this thing, we need triggering circuit. You can see the connection over here. This all the servo motors are connected with the Mega. You can see here the servo motor like head is giving the pitch motion, which is connected with the Arduino Mega directly, because we need only 5 volts supply to here. And this whole servo motor we know that it's operated only pulse width module circuits. So we need to generate the pulse width module from the Arduino Mega. And you can see this all the servo motors are connected with the Arduino Mega pulse width module over here. Now the beauty of this robot is that it's operated using voice control system, voice command. So whatever I am saying, robot should work as per that voice or commands. So for that I used one thing, that is a Bluetooth module. Bluetooth module helps to receive the text wirelessly from the mobile applications. So these are the entire control circuit for the humanoid robot. This circuit have a different types of voltage generation. Like first one is a 5 volt, second is a 3 volt, third one is 12 volt, and fourth one is a 6 volt. So all the circuits and all the elements which have a different power source can be connected here easily. Thank you. And this head has a two motion, one is yaw and one is pitch. So when the human is detected, this LED is also glow and highlighted. Thus these eyes are connected with the red LEDs. So whenever it starts the interaction with the human, these two things will happen. LCD is also giving some messages, and these LEDs are also glowing. Thank you.